Lero iga twabwata mukutano gwa barimu baito nechimanire chia technical institutions chaito nandi twabwata abandu basaponse program eye bakora KCB Foundation nandi mbagende kogendera chikosi chia abandu ange 700 chinyenge chikosi chia 300 mpaka 900 bakonye abantu gutwara skills chicho okore gasi amaboko nakorosie tukia kogingira kokora plumbing nebinde igona bitware nga ikosi ya stegoro mambia koera nakigia kiandeta baigorire njera mbatebi somiwa mwekonye n'abantu ba ICD na barabo abantu ba ICD na inspectors nabo bakoba inducted bamanye nga kibaho tena abantu ba ICD yara ntwarigeta yomo ubotena chiwadi bere initially nende ntomende kiro mundu abe igwadi yomo bamokonyoye erinde abarimu bamanyekana mbuya bagosomia abana baito kurwo boroso bwa nasari na bari bagotinda uje school tumanye mbarabi na bravo to babeke ka permanent bana kotinda kusingatia kobeka chinguru asa bari baito twabere to kubakora inductions twaba somia na ribaranya basomia abana baito buya ento barikera bari bagobatenenera ari batasundoke muntu kubaguriye tarayo byo kataro ari batasundoke na technical institutes chito konye insurance yake lakini bona ngo chimo gitore ende na toja kwanza wiki ego ja digital learning ya ganya mire ri entangani nechi ase next week into atangasa abantu ba apply ndome kimoso wa technical institutions chitware course iyo yo gosomia abana baito bari basomire lakini batabu atigasi nabo gosomiwa ngakyo go access chigasi ya mumbu ikia mumbu chigasi nechinyinge chinse chindo nya abantu bagotire mbateta bakori mermo igo basomi buntu babeke kire sub county aso wanzira arabo moyo kire wadi etu araba aseto gosomeri abana abo ikiara mbaba ikiara karo bagosoma no musiga so muiburi orure fees no musiga so mwana otabwa tubesa ko none sabuni igona intune elose ase economy sabantu baraido.
Shughuli yenye imenileta hapa nikiwa kama mkurugenzi wa elimu hapa Nyamira, nasimamia national government, na tunasema elimu ni continuous, ama elimu haina break kutoka ECD mpaka university. Elimu ni moja, kwa vile tunashughulikia mtoto mmoja. County walikuwa na hafla ya kutrain ama capacity build wafanyakazi ambao wameajiri, na walikuwa wametualika tuwasaidie kwa capacity building, na tumesaidiana na wao. Na pia mambo mengi ya elimu huwa tunasaidiana na county ili kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wetu kama Nyamira sisi wote tunahakikisha kwamba watoto wetu wanapata the best education that we can offer as government. Kwa vile hata ilikuwa kuna devolved government na national government, sisi wote ni serikali na tunahudumia mtoto mmoja.
Thank you very much. I am Eric Magak, TSC County Director, Nyamira. On this particular day, we honored the invitation of the county government, led by the governor, in looking at the training program that was going on to build the capacity of county staff when it comes to delivery of services. And as Teacher Service Commission, we have a mandate to train and build capacity of those who are teaching. It has been done well. They have the capacity, and if we network, we'll deliver as a country. Ours is to ensure that there is customer focus, and our customer remains that child, right from preschool up to upper levels of education. Otherwise, thank you very much.